Hi all. Today we'll be learning about trends in modern periodic table. So we know that modern periodic table consists of 18 groups and 7 period. How the elements are arranged according to the similarity in the chemical property. Trends, we know that we have a shop called Reliance Trends. So trends means there is a variety, there is also a similarity. So like that in modern periodic table, what are all the variations, what are all the similarities? So we'll be seeing what are all the property that changes and that is similar in the modern periodic table. So let us discuss all these properties. Like first one is valence electron, the second one is valency, and the third one is atomic size, and the fourth one is metallic character, and the fifth one is non-metallic character. So let us see one by one. We know that group is from top to bottom and period is from left to right. So in the modern periodic table, the properties changes from left to right as well as from top to bottom. Now if we consider the group, this is the first group elements: hydrogen, lithium, sodium and potassium. So I have just listed 4 elements. So if you check the valence electron, the valence electron is same as 1 because it's the first group element. Now if you check the period from left to right, this is the second period elements: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon and nitrogen. If you check the electronic configuration, it is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5 because the group number changes, so the valence electron also changes. See, if you check, the valence electron keeps on increase by 1. So this is the first group element, so the valence electron is 1. This is the second group element, so the valence electron is 2. This is 13th group element, so the valence electron is 3, 4 and 5. So the valence electron keeps on increase if I move from left to right in the period. This is one such example. So this is all group 3, period 3 elements. So it belongs, the group number is given here as 1, 2, 13, 14, 15 and it goes on, and they all belong to third period: sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. So if you check the electronic configuration, 281, 282, 283. So if you check the valence electrons, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the valence electron keeps on increase: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us come to valency. If the valence electron is 1, 2, 3 and 4, valency will also be the same number as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what happens if the valence electron is 5, 6, 7, 8? You have to just minus 8 because the octet rule says that the valence shell must contain 8 electrons, then only the atom is stable. If you check here, the valence electron is 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what you have to do to calculate the valency is 8 minus 5, so that is 3, 8 minus 6, so that is 2, 8 minus 7, so that is 1 and 8 minus 8, so that is 0. So if you check the valency, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then it decreases to 3, 2, 1 and 0. So first, if I move from left to right in the period, the valency first increases and then it decreases. So if you check the property that is changing in the group can also be specified as vertical column, and they will also mention it as top to bottom, how the property changes. So for first one is valence electron. Valence electron remains the same and the valency also remains the same. Now period, this is also called as horizontal row or how the property changes from left to right. So the first one is valence electron. It increases from 1 to 8, and the valency first increases to 4, then it decreases to 0. So you can have an overview look here. Hydrogen, it is 1, lithium, sodium, potassium all belongs to same group. The valence electron is same as 1, so the valency is also same as 1. Now if you just move across the period, first one is sodium, the second element in the third period is magnesium, so 282, then aluminium 283. If you check, the valence electron keeps on increases, and the valency also first increases and then decreases to 0.